so big.
So these grow every single year.
They're so
And they
so
start off
big.
really small, and then they grow into this great big bush and have huge, beautiful flowers on them. Pink and yellow and white. We get different colors. And then our lilies, Easter lilies. Some beautiful flowers we have here. And some different things. We've got a bunch of wildflowers planted just the other day. So here soon this will be full of flowers and beautiful. Good job. This we are making into little sidewalk there, and this will be a water garden. Not a water garden, but a waterfall when we get done.
Big monster coming. 1, 2,
Ready?
3.
Good job. Yay, you did it. These are all hand-picked rocks from up at my dad's house. He lives up on a mountain. And when you go up the mountain, there's all kinds of stones on the road, like a long drive. So we went and picked these just for this project. It really is a beautiful day in Ohio today. The sun is shining. There's just enough of a little breeze that makes it comfortable out here. We have neighbors that are moving in next door. That property's been empty about 20 years, and now we have neighbors that are building a log cabin, I think they said. And they put up a privacy fence, which is really nice for us. I would have always wanted one.
Look! Flower for Mommy!
Oh, thank you. Pretty flower. So beautiful. This girl loves flowers. You sure love flowers, don't you?
Yes, I do. Look, there's flowers all the way over there.
You got the most amazing view across the road. Something I've always loved about living here is looking out in the mornings, looking at this beautiful view, watching the sun come up. Such an amazing place to live. And if we come over here, we have these flowers growing on the fence line.
Look over here.
Yeah, ain't they pretty?
It's like
They might have thorns on them though, so don't try to pick these.
Are these wolves?
Look how pretty those are.
Can I just pick one?
No. Don't pick one. You're taking a picture, right?
One pick one. I just want to pick one.
Pick one now. So beautiful. I love flowers.
This one's yours. Mom, this one's yours. Save this one for me. Save this one for me too.
Very beautiful.
One. That's this one.
Hold my hand.
So cool.
Look at these pretty little flowers.
Can I pick a blue one? This one's mine.
So pretty. Show the camera. Pretty flower.
Simba!
Hold on.
Simba, good boy! Simba.
There's the construction site going on.
Let's
What you can
keep
see
walking
here.
over there.
Yeah, look, I'm just showing. Wait a minute, I'm showing everybody. This all needs mowed down. And then there's a really cool place back here to go.
That all the way to the trees.
Okay.
And go in the wolf pond. Actually, I'm kidding. That's not the wolf pond. Okay. Simba.
He was rolling in the grass.
Yeah, he was showing his belly.
This will grow flowers right there, too.
Showing his butt.
Look, that's where we're walking here. Look at those.
Can I
Okay.
go?
No, come here. You don't want to get the snake on you. There's snakes back here. Better be careful. The dogs love it back here, don't they?
Yeah.
Look at these flowers.
What's biggest?
More
Mama.
flowers.
Watch,
We got flowers everywhere around here.
I'm going to be the tallest.
We're going to pick some for a vase.
Mama.
We're going to make us
a... the tallest.
Yeah, you're as tall as a tree. We're going to pick some flowers for a beautiful vase.
We'll pick them.
Okay, let's see what else is back here. We got to watch out for snakes and stuff. I don't come back here too often. But I thought it would make a good vlog.
I'm a little bit scared.
You want me to carry you?
I'm a little bit scared.
You're a little bit scared.
Yeah.
Like your house is way up there. Hold on, stay with me so I can watch where you're walking. Here, give me your hand.
Hold my flowers. But very
Hold my hand, please. So, hold my hand with the flowers.
I'm scared.
You can't go in the real deep grass.
I'm scared.
No, ain't nothing to be scared of. I'm just showing them the wooded
Can I go
area.
all the way in there?
Wait a minute. We will cut all this down, and I thought it'd be really cool to come back here and have a camping trip
Who's
sometime.
over there?
It's the dogs. Sometime we're going to come back here and have us a little camping trip. Have a a bonfire, and make s'mores.
But I can sit on.
Here's an abandoned chair, huh?
But I can sit on.
It's got grass all over it. Careful. Look at you. You got a seat. Yay, place to sit.
What's the thing? I'm watching all the flowers.
Oh, that's you, lady. What are you doing, Simba? Where's Simba? Where are you? There he is. He's hiding in the bushes.
Why are you eating all these flowers? Huh?
Make sure we don't get no ticks on us. We'll have to check for ticks when we get back in. They're really bad around here. And the dogs are really bad about bringing them in the house. Yeah. Okay, are you ready to head back now? Yeah. You know what our house looks like. Careful now, I don't want you to fall.
I'm sitting in the chair waiting for the beach.
Peaceful out here, ain't it?
Wait.
What?
I hear an airplane.
Yep. It's in the sky. No. There's snakes back there. Come on, get up here. Yeah, we're not going back in there because that's a lot higher. All right. Look at the trees.
What's that mean?
Maybe the grass is a lot taller back here, and I don't want to get in that grass. Okay.
Whoa, that's taller than I am.
Yeah.
Is that an animal? It's taller than me?
An animal? No. Only animals back here are dogs. I'm sure there's some squirrels and stuff to hide in.
Pretty. Mom, look, I got you some.
No, careful. There's bushes. There's sticker bush things over here. Have little stickers on them that'll scratch you.
Yeah, and it hurts you.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah, beautiful flowers.
Whoa, look at this one. It's taller than I am. Look.
Let me see. Oh. Whoa, it's big.
Okay, I'm going to put it back.
Simba, are you trying to eat the grass? He's having a salad.
He's trying to eat all the salad grass. stop it, but
Yeah,
you're
I don't
gross. Wow.
Okay, let's walk back up this way. Daddy will be back here in a minute.
No, I don't want to. Mom, stay over here.
We gotta go look around this side and see what we see.
Mom, stay over here.
What? Listen to all the sounds. Listen to the sounds of nature. Listen.
Stay still, Mom. My hands are sticky.
More flowers.
I don't know the house. Hold on, guys. We're coming. We can go this
Simba. Yeah, there's our fence. We gotta mow all that down. All this has just been kind of left to itself like, for a while.